This is the unboxing video for the Nuwave Pro Plus 2 infrared oven. When you open the box, you'll find it includes the dome holder, dome, power head, base tray, liner pan, and reversible rack. You'll also get an owner's manual, quick start guide, and recipe book. Remove the protective wrapping from the reversible rack, and then carefully pull the plastic off of the remaining pieces. Assemble the unit by first setting the base tray on your countertop. Then, insert the liner pan. Place the reversible rack and dome, and finish by locking on the power head. Make sure it clicks into place. Unravel the cord and plug in the Pro Plus 2. Press the power button to turn on the unit, and the Pro Plus 2 is ready for cooking.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.